This week, on the 50th episode of the TWR, we're covering a story we never thought we'd cover. A claim of discrimination against a white man. I'm Erica Domingo, and this is a Toxic Workplace Report. So let's dive right in. David Duvall was an executive for Novant Health, which oversees 15 hospitals and dozens of outpatient facilities in North Carolina. Duvall claims he was terminated in July of 2018 without prior notice, and that his supervisor told him it had nothing to do with his performance. After his termination, Duvall learned that he had been replaced by a white woman and a black woman, and that other white men had been replaced by women and minorities. As a result, Duvall filed a lawsuit alleging wrongful termination and discrimination based upon his sex and his race. In its defense, Novant Health claimed that as a highly paid senior executive, Duvall was expected to perform exceptionally, not just adequately, and at the time of his termination, they had lost confidence in his ability to lead. In 2015, Novant Health signed on to a commitment to address healthcare inequities, which in turn spawned its commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion internally. However, the jury didn't buy Novant's defense and found that David Duvall was terminated based upon his race and his sex in violation of federal and state law to the tune of $10 million. That award included punitive damages and 3 gift certificates to Chick-fil-A. White people love Chick-fil-A. The jury of 8 was comprised of 6 women and 2 men, including 6 white people, 1 Hispanic person, and a black female 4-person. After his win, Duvall's attorney stated that the lawsuit was decidedly not a statement against diversity and inclusion programs. The lawsuit was only about the need to run such programs lawfully. We believe the punitive damages award was a strong message that an employer cannot just fire employees based on their race or gender to create opportunities to achieve diversity targets. That is plainly unlawful and very harmful, and that is what the jury denounced here. This lawsuit goes to show that state and federal anti-discrimination laws are working to do just that, to protect individuals from discrimination based upon any protected class, including age, race, sex, sexual orientation, or religion, and more, even if those individuals were part of the class that is historically not discriminated against. And for those of you saying, of course it would be a white man who gets $10 million in damages on a discrimination claim, there is a strong possibility that Duvall's claims will be cut short and his damages limited, because under federal law there is a cap of $300,000 on damages for employers with over 500 employees. Thanks for watching this week's TWR, and thanks for those of you, probably 3 or 4, who have kept up with us through all 50 episodes. In honor of our 50th episode, let's see if we can get to 50 likes. Ambitious, I know. Make sure you drop your comments below to let us know what you think about this story, and follow Grongo Colarulo so you can catch the next 50 episodes. That award included punitive damages. That award included punitive damages and 3 gift certificates. No, do it again. This time with more emphasis. I'm gonna murder you. I'm the queen of dad jokes.